How to fix Wi-Fi connected without internet on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Wi-Fi connected but no internet issue on Android phone. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, step 1, that is to toggle Wi-Fi off and on. So simply open the settings app and here simply scroll down and tap on Wi-Fi. And now here in this section, simply turn off the Wi-Fi and turn it back on again. And here sometimes a simply reconnection can fix the problem. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to restart your phone. So here just press and hold on the power button and then tap on reboot or restart. And here just restart the phone. And here a fresh restart can resolve temporary network issue. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to forget and reconnect to the network. So here simply go to the settings and here just tap on Wi-Fi. And now here just tap on your Wi-Fi network and here you can simply scroll down and tap on forget network. And once you have done with that, you can simply reconnect it by entering the password again. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to reset the network settings. So here, if it's still not working, then you can simply open the settings app. And now here, you can simply scroll down and tap on connection and sharing. And now here, in this section, you can simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth. And now here in this section, simply tap on reset settings and this will reset Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth settings. And with that, moving forward to the step 5, that is to check router and internet connection. So make sure that your router is working properly and other device can connect it too, because sometimes the issue is in within the internet provider, not your phone. And that's it. These steps should fix the Wi-Fi connected but no internet issue on Android phone. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.